Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender for this quarantine. And today we're gonna have one of the classics is back. And this is gonna be the perfect Sunday pool cocktail for you and your friends. And hey, we're kind of close to the 4th of July, so this is the Blue Hawaiian. Let's see how it's done. So let's get into it. Very simple. You can do it two different ways. You can make it on the rocks or you can make it blend. However, for me, in my taste, I like to make it blended. So for what you're gonna need, it's gonna need 1 cup of ice, crushed preferably. We're gonna go for 1 full ounce of white rum. We're gonna go for 1 full ounce of a blue curacao. We're gonna go for 1 full ounce also of coconut cream. So in this case, I'm using CALAMUA. This is a Mexican brand. This is kind of like my taste. There's also Coco Lopez, and there's some other ones that you can have. So whatever you like the best, that's gonna be okay for you. And to finalize this thing, we're gonna use 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Let's give it a quick blend. So let's get everything in a nice tall glass. And hey, just to let you know, guys, like, subscribe. That way you're not gonna miss any of the cocktails that we're gonna be making for this summertime. It's gonna be nice, some classic ones. It's gonna be some refreshing ones. So hey, give us a shout if you have the chance, okay? So let's pour this guy all the way up. That looks perfect. By the way, this is actually my father-in-law's favorite cocktail, the Blue Hawaiian. So he left us a couple years ago. A big shout to my Burning Man. Whatever you are, sir, this is gonna be for you. So we're gonna go for a little straw right here. Let's get just a slice of a pineapple with cherry. And here you have it. The nice Blue Hawaiian. Salud, Burning Man.